I'm Cece from Zucchini Bakery. Let's make some cookies using our new chocolate chip mix. To make this mix, we're going to use half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 5 tablespoons of non-dairy cold butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, and today I'm going to be using a hand mixer, but you can also use a whisk at home. First, let's combine all of our ingredients. You can put your cold non-dairy butter into the mixing bowl, as well as the 1 cup of sugar, your 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, and your vanilla. I'm going to use a hand mixer to do this. You can also use a hand whisk at home. It'll just take a little bit longer. You need to make sure there's no clumps. Once well combined, grab your cookie mix and pour it directly onto your combination. Now we'll use a spatula to make a cookie dough. Next, let's line a sheet pan with some parchment paper. Let's use an ice cream scoop to portion out our cookies. Set them at least 1 inch apart. You can use them rised up like this, or if you like them like I do, I just flatten them a little bit on top. They will spread in the oven, so be careful placing them too close together. Place it in the oven at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes until they're golden around the edges. And how you know they're done is that they're golden around the edges.